Hey guys, so I'm sitting on the front steps of our studio apartment in the backyard, and these steps I put in a couple years ago, and you can see even from the side here that it's needing some repair. And so I want to repair that, and then I want to widen the steps and add some railings, either one railing or two with some stiles that go down to help people climb up and down the stairs. And so I'm gonna try to take that on this weekend. Maybe you've got a similar situation. All right guys, so this part might not come out that well, so I was gonna talk through it a little bit. And so I've got the steps in place, and I've got the new post now, and there's 1.5 inches between the steps and the post to allow for this 2x6 to slip right down between it. So it's gonna give the stairs a little bit of an edge there, maybe make it look a little more finished. So that's the idea, between having 1.5 inches space between the post and the steps. And then for the post on the bottom, I'm going to try one of these post spikes, and they're pretty great. Actually, I really like these. So we had a bunch of rain come through last night, and so hopefully the ground is kind of soft, and I've got to cut off a section of the post to stick in here in order to hammer it into the ground, and then I'll remove that piece and then stick the actual post in. And in terms of placement, because I had this 2x6, I don't want the metal part right up flush against the 2x6 so that I can attach that 2x6 to the post. So I'm going to bring it in towards the guest house just a little bit so that that metal part won't be a factor. So just wanted to explain that. So anyway, yeah, should be fun. that's about it. So if you made it this far, I really appreciate it, and I had fun, and hope you did as well. So thanks for sticking around.